Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your guy here, and today we've got something big to talk about. The crypto market is on fire right now, and if you're paying attention, you already know this isn't just another random spike. We are entering what could be one of the most explosive bull rallies in crypto history, and the signs are all around us. Now as always, let me be clear, this isn't financial advice. I'm not here to tell you what to buy or sell. I'm just sharing what I'm seeing, what I'm doing, and how I'm interpreting the data out there. If that sounds good to you and you want to stay ahead of these trends, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It helps get this kind of content out to more people and keeps you plugged in with what's happening in the crypto world. Let's get right into it. Bitcoin just crushed a new milestone. As of July 10, 2025, BTC officially crossed $116,000. This isn't just another rally. This is a new all-time high. A couple of weeks ago, we were barely pushing past $90,000, and now here we are, breaking into the $116,000 territory. And this is not just price action without reason. There's real momentum behind this move, and it's tied to larger events happening on the political and macroeconomic stages. Earlier today, Donald Trump posted a statement on Truth Social saying that the U.S. economy is back. He directly mentioned crypto being at all-time highs, the Nasdaq hitting record numbers, and a renewed sense of confidence returning to the market. But it didn't stop there. He also put direct pressure on the Federal Reserve, calling for a historic 300 basis point interest rate cut. That's not just a symbolic move. That's the kind of policy change that could flood the markets with liquidity and send asset prices even higher. If that kind of rate cut actually happens, we're talking about the biggest monetary easing in modern U.S. history. And that, my friends, would take us from a risk-off environment into a full-blown risk-on scenario, where investors are pouring money into everything from equities to real estate to crypto. And guess what? It's already starting. We're seeing the early signs. The global liquidity index is at a record high right now. That means there's more capital available in the system than ever before. And when you combine that kind of liquidity with investor confidence and bullish political rhetoric, it creates the perfect storm for markets like crypto to explode. One Twitter analyst, who's been spot on over the last 4 years, pointed out that Bitcoin tends to follow global liquidity movements with a 75-day lag. That pattern has played out repeatedly in past cycles. And right now, based on that same pattern, we're perfectly positioned for an extended rally that could carry us into the final quarter of the year and beyond. In fact, if we follow the trend from the last several years, Bitcoin could be on a path to reach $170,000 or even $200,000 before the year ends. That might sound aggressive, but the data supports it. The chart comparisons from 2022 through to 2025 all show similar movement, a drop in liquidity, followed by a recovery, and then a Bitcoin rally roughly 2.5 months later. We're seeing that again right now. Liquidity bottomed in April, and since May, Bitcoin's been steadily climbing. It's all lining up. And this isn't just a Bitcoin story. The altcoin market is heating up as well. Picoin, in particular, has been getting a lot of attention, and for good reason. It's up 12% on the day, climbing from around 49 cents up to 52.5 and still showing signs of strength. We're seeing strong green candles on multiple time frames, and volume today hit over $183 million. That's not casual movement, that's real interest from real traders. And it's not just Picoin. Meme coins like Pangu on the Solana blockchain and Pepe on Ethereum are also seeing big gains. Pangu's price action has been electric, and Pepe is up 15% just today. It's the kind of across-the-board green wave that signals something much bigger is happening. Retail money is coming back into crypto, and it's doing so quickly. These are all signs of a true shift in sentiment. We're moving out of the fear-driven, hesitation-filled bear market into a much more optimistic, aggressive investment environment. When people feel confident, they invest. When liquidity is high, that investment becomes easier. And when prices start running, FOMO does the rest. So here's the big question, where do we go from here? If Bitcoin does hit $200,000, where does that leave the rest of the market? Historically, altcoins move in larger multiples than Bitcoin during bull runs. That means Picoin, small-cap gems, and even some mid-cap plays could see 3x, 5x, or even 10x moves if momentum continues. It's a matter of positioning yourself early and being prepared. That's exactly why I'm keeping such a close eye on Picoin. It's been showing all the right technical indicators, the volume is strong, and the broader market conditions are finally aligned to support that kind of breakout. I've been charting Pi/USDT on BTCC, which is a platform that lets you trade without any KYC requirements, and honestly, it's been a smooth experience. If you're looking for a way to trade quickly and without too much friction, it might be worth checking out. The link is in the description if you're interested. Before I wrap things up, I also want to give a quick shout out to DFlow, one of our channel partners. They've got a unique offer running through August 2nd where you can enter to win your dream car just by using their platform. All you have to do is trade on the app and earn enough points to rank in the top 500. If you're already trading, it's worth a look. Their platform lets you trade new tokens the moment they go live, which is a serious edge if you like getting in early. No slippage battles, no need to wait for CX listings. To sum it up, we're in the early stages of what could be a historic market move. Bitcoin is leading the way, altcoins are catching fire, and political and economic conditions are lining up in a way we haven't seen in years. If you've been waiting on the sidelines, now might be the time to start paying very close attention. That's all I've got for today. If you found this video helpful or interesting, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't yet, and drop a comment letting me know which altcoins you're watching in this market. I'm going to be here with more updates as things evolve, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks as always for the support. Until next time, stay safe, stay smart, and keep investing. Peace.